at Loewen Windows. I just wanted to share with you another improvement idea that we came up with today. So one thing that we've been finding is that we're getting some certain parts from our supplier that have a specific defect on them, and sometimes when we receive the material, the way that it's packaged in the cradles, you can't get to the bottom of the material to do your proper inspections. So our internal process is, once we start to put the material away, then we have to remember to check those parts for those certain quality defects. Sometimes that gets forgotten because there's a lot of steps in the process of putting material away. So what we've done is we've actually created these orange codes that all it is it's asking what the part number is, what the quality issue is to check, and it's just a visual reminder for the people that are replenishing the material so that they can look to make sure that they're doing that extra quality check to make sure that the parts are good so that we can supply it to our internal customer defect free and fit for use. So that's our improvement idea. Thanks for watching.